Hi, my name is Ashley and I'm the Manager of Customer Success. Today I'm going to be walking you through how to create custom bio fields for your company's instance on GoProfiles. Please note that this is an admin-only functionality, so if you are not an admin for your GoProfiles account, this is not going to be accessible to you. Here's how we get started. On the left-hand rail, please click into your settings. As you click into settings, please then proceed to Workspace. From there, please then click the second tab of User Profiles, and this is where the magic will begin. Here's where you can add in any question you would like, personal or work related, for your teams to fill out on their bios. With that said, we have some defaults here for you, and if you don't like to use those or have a different set of questions you'd like to use, please proceed to click the Add Field button. You'll be able to add in any information that you'd like or any question that you see fit. And as you create those, note that you can select these three dots and change the order so that they are in a specific order of your choosing. If you like the questions that we've defaulted here for you, maybe you'd like to hide one of them and you just don't like your go-to song, you can always hit this little button here and hide that field. Otherwise, you've now created your user profile with custom bio fields. To lastly show you where it lives, again, I told you everybody will be filling those out on their bio pages. If you click into my profile, you'll be able to see those questions living in that bio section, and that is where everyone will be able to stay connected with those questions and learn about each other. Thank you and have a wonderful day.